Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Landforms. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
landforms. Here are
some
examples.
Plain,
a plain is a flat landmass that does not change a lot in elevation. It is important for agriculture or farming.
valley, a valley is a low area between hills or mountains. Hill. Hills are elevations of the Earth's surface that have distinct summits. In some places, hills are tourist destination. Mountain. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land. It provides a unique habitat for animals and vegetation. Volcano. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust where hot liquid rock from deep within the Earth erupts to the surface. It helps to cool off the Earth, removing heat from its interior. Canyon. Canyon is a deep cleft between escarpments or cliffs. Canyons can also be a tourist spot, in some places. Plateau. A plateau is an area of a highland, usually consisting of relatively flat terrain. It can be a storehouse of minerals. Island. Island is any piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. It can be a tourist destination or a place for a community. Archipelago. An archipelago contains a group of islands. A habitat both for humans and animals. Desert. A desert is any large region that gets very little rain each year. It can be a habitat for some plants and animals. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Choose the correct name of the landform.
Number 1. It has a distinct summit.
The answer is hill.
Number 2. It is a large landform.
The answer is mountain.
Number 3. It is a low area between hills.
The answer is valley.
Number 4. It is a flat land mass.
The answer is plain.
Number 5. It only gets a little rain every year.
The answer is desert.
Number 6. It is a group of islands.
The answer is archipelago.
Number 7. It releases hot liquid rocks.
The answer is volcano.
Number 8. It can be a storehouse of minerals.
The answer is plateau.
Number 9. It is a land surrounded by water.
The answer is island.
Number 10. It is a deep cleft between cliffs.
The answer is canyon.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Spell the name of the landform.
Number 1. Y, N, C, A, N, O.
The correct answer is canyon.
Number 2. A, N, D, L, I, S.
The correct answer is island.
Number 3. E, L, A, T, U, P.
The correct answer is plateau.
Number 4. C, H, I, P, E, A, R, A, G, O, L.
The correct answer is archipelago.
Number 5. O-N-A-V-O-C-L.
The correct answer is volcano.
Number 6. R-E-S-T-E-D.
The correct answer is desert.
Number 7. N-I-A-P-L.
The correct answer is plain.
Number 8. L-L-Y-V-A-E.
The correct answer is valley.
Number 9. T-A-N-I-M-U-N-O.
The correct answer is mountain.
Number 10. L-I-L-H.
The correct answer is hill.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.